Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. White smoke coming from your car's exhaust can range from a normal occurrence to a sign of a serious engine problem. It's crucial to distinguish between them. Car smokes white. Causes, symptoms, effects, repair, and costs. Causes. Condensation. Normal. This is the most common and harmless cause, especially on cold mornings or in humid weather. Moisture naturally accumulates in the exhaust system overnight. When the engine starts and heats up, this moisture turns into steam, appearing as thin, white vapor that quickly dissipates. Coolant leak. This is a more serious issue. If coolant, antifreeze, leaks into the combustion chamber, it burns along with the fuel and exits as thick, persistent white smoke. This can happen due to blown head gasket. The head gasket seals the engine block and cylinder head, preventing coolant and oil from mixing or entering the combustion chambers. A blown gasket allows coolant to seep in. Cracked engine block or cylinder head. Cracks in these components can also allow coolant to leak into the combustion chambers. This is often caused by severe overheating or freezing. Damaged radiator. While not directly causing white smoke, a damaged radiator can lead to engine overheating, which in turn can cause a blown head gasket. Leaking hoses, seals, or connectors. Any compromise in the cooling system can lead to coolant leaks. Low coolant level. If the coolant level drops significantly without an obvious external leak, it often indicates an internal leak where it's being burned. Faulty fuel injectors, especially in diesel engines, an injector that's not delivering the correct amount of fuel or delivering it at the wrong time, can lead to incomplete combustion, resulting in white smoke. Worn piston rings or cylinder walls. If these components are worn, engine oil can sneak past them and into the combustion chamber, burning and producing white smoke, though this often presents as bluish white or gray smoke as well. Transmission fluid leak. In vehicles with a vacuum modulator, a faulty one can pull transmission fluid into the engine, which, when burned, creates white smoke. Faulty PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, system. This system is responsible for recirculating oil vapors back into the combustion chamber. A malfunction can lead to excessive oil burning and smoke. Symptoms. Beyond the visible white smoke, you might notice other symptoms depending on the cause. Sweet smell from exhaust, a strong indicator of burning coolant. Engine overheating. This is a common companion to a coolant leak, especially a blown head gasket. Rapid loss of coolant. You'll frequently need to top up your coolant reservoir. Rough engine idle or misfires can be associated with faulty fuel injectors or a compromised combustion chamber. Decreased engine performance, less power or acceleration. Foamy or milky oil. If coolant mixes with oil, your engine oil on the dipstick might appear frothy or discolored, like a milkshake. Check engine light. May illuminate due to various engine issues. Effects. Ignoring persistent white smoke, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms, can lead to severe engine damage. Continuous burning of coolant can damage internal engine components. Engine seizure. If the engine overheats severely due to coolant loss, it can seize up, requiring a costly rebuild or replacement. Higher fuel consumption. Problems like faulty fuel injectors can make your car less fuel efficient. Increased emissions. Burning oil or coolant contributes to harmful exhaust emissions. Safety hazards. A compromised engine can increase the risk of breakdowns or accidents. Repair. The repair depends entirely on the underlying cause. Condensation. No repair needed. It's normal. Coolant leaks, head gasket, cracked block, /head. This is a major repair. Head gasket replacement. The old gasket is removed and a new one is installed. This often involves significant labor as many engine components need to be disassembled. Cracked engine block /cylinder head repair /replacement. Depending on the severity of the crack, it might be reparable, e.g., welding, or require replacement of the component, which can be very expensive. Leak repair. For minor leaks in hoses, seals, or the radiator, replacing the faulty component is necessary. Coolant system flush. often recommended after a major coolant leak repair. Fuel system issues, e.g., bad fuel injector replacement or cleaning of the faulty injector. Oil burning, worn piston rings/valve seals. This can involve significant engine work, such as rebuilding the engine to replace piston rings or valve seals. Transmission fluid leak, repair or replacement of the faulty vacuum modulator or other transmission components. Costs. Repair costs vary widely based on the cause, the make and model of your car, and labor rates in your area. Condensation, $0 or euros or pounds. No repair needed. Blown head gasket. This is one of the most expensive repairs, typically ranging from $1,000 or euros or pounds to $2,500 or euros or pounds, with some high-end vehicles costing even more. The cost includes parts, gasket set, new bolts, coolant, oil, and significant labor. Cracked engine block/cylinder head. This can be even more expensive than a head gasket, often leading to engine replacement, which can cost several thousands of dollars or euros or pounds, from $3,000 or euros or pounds to $7,000 or euros or pounds or more. Leaking hoses/radiator. Less expensive, typically a few $100s depending on the part and labor. Faulty fuel injector can range from $200 or euros or pounds to $600 or euros or pounds per injector, depending on the type of injector and labor. Worn piston rings/valve seals. This usually requires an engine rebuild, which is a major job and can cost from $2,000 or euros or pounds to $5,000 or euros or pounds. Important note: if you see persistent, thick white smoke, especially with a sweet smell or other concerning symptoms, it's crucial to stop driving your car immediately and have it towed to a qualified mechanic. Continuing to drive could lead to much more extensive and costly damage, or even a complete engine failure. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.